A soft wind blowing gnaws all around me, but there is the sound of a soft wind, a breeze that in the midst of confusion keeps me disciplined, gently whispering, have no fear, giving me a blessed assurance. Turning away from sinful noise is right. I must seek God's acceptance. No need for the message to be loud. I must keep my ear attuned to hear God's message of love and how to live life without anxiety and fear. Following God's advice lets me go through life in a state of peace. As I sat quietly listening to a soft breeze, from my anxiety I got a release. In the midst of a storm, seek the quiet protection waiting in Jesus' arm. Though the storm may be loud and raging, God will keep you from harm. That soft wind may seem to not deliver you to a place of peace very fast. Flowing with the soft wind and waiting on the Lord will give you peace to last. Like a soft wind blowing, Jesus delivered a message quietly writing in the sand. A message so profound that no one left disputing his word could stand. Sometimes the solution to your problem will be delivered to you in a still quiet. If you listen to and follow the soft wind blowing, you will be so inspired by the soft wind blowing. Breathe on me. In the beginning, God exhaled, releasing the breath of life. Jesus breathed, giving disciples comfort from any strife. A breath so comforting and peaceful, a breath so glorious. A breath when exhaled delivered a life that is forever victorious. Breathe on me, Lord, exhale your love. Breathe on me, Lord, exhale your wisdom. Breathe on me, Lord, exhale your strength. Breathe on me, Lord, exhale your forgiveness. Breathe on me, Lord, exhale your stability. Breathe on me, Lord, exhale your understanding. Breathe on me, Lord, exhale your timeless patience. Breathe on me, Lord, exhale your bravery. Breathe on me, Lord, exhale your indescribable peace. Lord, Lord, for every breath I feel from you gives me strength to sustain. A breath more precious than oxygen, helping my spirit maintain. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for every breath I receive. For only the Lord's breath has the power to relieve. Lord, you help me, this blind man to see. Always breathe on me. Breathe on me, Lord.